Okay, today's question is the 2016 Ordinary Level Question 2, which is the ellipse question. Okay, the graphics show the outline of a motorsport helmet. The design is based on circles, okay, parallel lines, and a semi-ellipse is shown. Okay, the curve ABC is a semi-ellipse, so A to C is our major axis, and O to B is our minor, half our minor axis, which is 50 long, and major axis is 130 long, so I'll write that in there. Okay, so what other problem solving have we here? Okay, so we need our center point and our radius for this circle here. It's not given. So from point C we come down perpendicular 30, we can get this point. Okay, we will have point O, so we can join that. Okay, so we have this construction line here. And then what we're doing is N25 perpendicular line. So when that intersects it there, it's going to give us this point. Okay. Then where it hits the major axis here, gives us the radius, and we can draw a circle in there like so. To get our inclined lines here, our parallel lines, we're going to have to go over to point A, okay, come out 18 and draw a construction line, okay. Then we get our baseline here, which is down 30 and 50, down 80, okay. So off that we come up 30, and where it intersects, draw a light line, construction line, and where it intersects here, it gives us this point. Okay, we join that back up to A, it gives us this inclined line here, which use our sliding set squares method then to go from this line and then from our 30 down. Okay, so we can get to work on this one here. Major axis. So our major axis is 130. So circumference is 65. 65. And that gives us A, C. Our half our minor axis is 50, set on the center point, and 50. Okay, so it's B up here. Okay, so turn the center point. Okay, so we're going to finish off the ellipse here. So down vertically from our outside circle. And come in horizontal from our inside circle. Okay, so I have my points in the ellipse here. Darken that in now. There is the top of the helmet done. Okay, so we have our ellipse here, and we have A, B, C, and we have O here. Okay, so I'm going to come down 30 for the edge of my helmet here, and I'm going to get my baseline. Okay, so it's down 30 and then down 50. And I'm going to come down 50. That is construction line. Okay, so I have my baseline here. So I know the radius or the center point of the circle is on a 30 axis up here. So the bottom of visor is up 30. 30. Okay. So I come out from A18, bring the perpendicular line down. Okay, so I came out 18, down 30, so I had this point now. So I'm going to join that back up to A. And that gives us the edge of the visor here, which is a parallel line. Okay, so this curve here is radius 30, so I'm going to come in 30. That's my center point. Compass. Center point there. Okay, so now we have the angle of our inclined line. So the edge of the visor comes all the way over till it hits the center line. Okay, from that point then, sliding set square method, we over a parallel line, and then from a 30 point, it's also a parallel line till it hits our baseline. So we can do that now. Okay, sliding set squares. Goes up until it hits the major axis. Until it hits a 30 mark here. And it's a baseline. Now, so we have the outside of the helmet and we have the visor. We just need our little circle here now. So from this point here, back to 0. Construction line. Okay. We'll come in 25. And bring the perpendicular line down. Okay, so we've done there. Joint, we call this S. So we've joined S back to O. Okay, we come in from C, 25, perpendicular line down, and where it intersected our line here gives the center point of the circle. Now this distance here is the radius of the circle where it hits our major axis. The compass on the center point. Oh. That's 2016 ordinary level question 2 finished. So we have our parallel lines, semi-ellipse, and our circles. Okay.